channel Rock and Roll with Ankita. Hey there, if you don't know me, I'm Ankita Mishra Narkar. I'm an ex-cabin crew and right now I'm a happy-go-lucky homemaker. I make vlogs out of everything that I do in life. I want you all to become a part of my life, a part of my journey. Hence, I make vlogs out of everything that I do in life. As you all know guys, summer is approaching and I think it's one of the favorite season of children out there. Why? Because one thing in summer they love to eat is ice cream. You scream, we all scream for ice cream. All the children out there love summer season because they can have as much as ice creams they want. But right now the situation out here is very difficult. As you all know, we all are having an unwanted guest in our house, in our country, in our locality, society, which is coronavirus. So in this case, I will never recommend you all to go out and buy ice cream for your children. Not only children, even my husband, he loves to have ice cream during summer. So I thought, why not, let's make ice cream in a very easy way and share it with you guys, so that it will help you out guys and you can make at home ice creams as well in a very easy step. So today let's not waste any time and let's check the very simple recipe as to how to make ice cream custard vanilla flavor at your home in a very simple way. So yalla, let's get started. So to make ice cream we need a packet of milk, yellow food color, custard powder, sugar and Amul whipping cream. I'm using Amul whipping cream, you can use any of your choice. I will be using 250 ml of whipping cream. So part 1, we will be taking 2 tablespoons of custard powder, now we're going to take room temperature milk or cold milk to mix the powder. Make sure you don't take hot milk because the hot milk will form a lump. Mix it properly. The consistency should be watery and thin, just like this. Now we will take a pan and we will take 2 large cups of milk and let it boil. Once the boiling has been taken place, we will take the custard mixture that we made and we will add it to the boiled milk slowly. Make sure you keep stirring it with one hand, otherwise it might form a lump. Now that you can see the milk has thickened, we will add approximately 7 tablespoons of sugar to it. This will be as per your choice. If you want it more sweeter, you can add more sugar. Once we are satisfied with the thickening of the milk, we will switch off the gas and we will go to our third part. Now in the third part, we have to whip our whipping cream. I have taken the entire 250 ml. Now because I don't have a whipping machine, I will be using the blender. Before that, I have placed the jar in the freezer for around 1 hour. Yes, you can definitely use a blender if you don't have a whipping machine. After blending the whipping cream, we're going to add our custard that we prepared in part 2. As you can see, the custard has thickened really well after keeping it for 15 minutes. We're going to mix it together and blend it now. Now we're going to add just 2 pinch of yellow food color. Guys, this is totally optional. Because it is custard flavor, a richness of yellow color should be there. Hence I'm using it. If you don't want to add it, just don't add it, provided your ice cream will be white in color. We're going to blend it really well for several times. Guys, I already have an ice cream box from my previous purchase. This was Amul Rajbhog's box, and the cover I have of some Amul Choco Almond something. You know, the reason I'm mentioning this because I hope you guys don't think, oh, she's already using an Amul ice cream box, so bahar se kharida hai. No, nothing like that. I'm going to place the mixture in the box because it's a perfect box. Now we're going to place the ice cream box in the freezer for around 1 hour. After freezing for 1 hour, we will take the ice cream mixture out and we will blend it once again. I will be using the same blender, the same jar that I used previously. And we're going to blend it really well several times once more. Once the blending is done, we're going to place it in the same box, guys, and we're going to freeze it overnight. So, I will see you tomorrow with the outcome. And the next morning, after freezing it overnight, let's see how's the outcome. See, this is the same box. My God, I'm so particular about the box. So, wow, isn't it gorgeous? Look at the way it has freezed, the color, the texture. Now with the help of a spatula, we will scoop it out. हाँ, हम रहे आम आदमी, हमारे पास आइसक्रीम स्कूपर नहीं है, तो हम स्पैटुला से काम चलाएंगे. And at last we will garnish it with some chopped pistachio and we will add a few strands of saffron to it. And wow, tada! It's ready! As promised, this is the next day I'm shooting this video because मुझे एक रात पूरा रखना था और मुझे आप लोगों को दिखाना था कि ये कैसा बनता है. So I think I did a pretty good job. Just look at this. So creamier, color is perfect. Garnishing I think भी अच्छा लग रहा है. देखिए. I'm in love with this. Let's try कैसे बना है. Can't tell you, it's so yummy. Look how creamier it has come. And wow. Awesome. तो जैसे कि सभी पता है गर्मियाँ आ रही हैं, सबके बच्चे आइसक्रीम खाने को जिद करेंगे. बाहर कोरोना चल रहा है, बार बार आप बाहर से लेके आएं या बच्चों को बाहर लेके जाएं आइसक्रीम खिलाने. इट्स नॉट सेफ गाइस, इट्स नॉट सेफ एट ऑल. तो बहुत ही आसान है फ्लेवर्ड आइसक्रीम बनाना। कस्टर्ड सबके पास होता है घर पे, सो कस्टर्ड आइसक्रीम इज़ बहुत इजीली बन जाता है। अगर आपको कस्टर्ड नहीं बनाना है, पिस्ता बना लीजिए, उसमें थोड़ा सा ग्रीन फूड कलर डाल लीजिए। मैंगो आने वाले हैं तो आप मैंगो फ्लेवर्ड बना सकते हैं। The procedure is the same, guys. You just have to keep changing your flavors. So प्लीज़ बाहर मत जाइए, बच्चों को बाहर मत लेके जाइए, उन्हें समझाइए, घर पे ही ये आसान तरीका अपनाइए और घर पे ही आइसक्रीम बनाइए। एंड देन प्लीज़ कम बैक एंड comment below and tell me कि आपका आइसक्रीम कैसे बना। I will be awaiting. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you soon with one of my another video. Please like, share, subscribe and follow me on Instagram with the same name, Rock and Roll with Ankita. Mwah.